Hello, welcome to today's video. I am going to show you how to manage material, the wastages, scrap, damages, spoil products during the course of production in Odoo. So I'm going to use manufacturing module to demonstrate how you can manage your scraps using Odoo 13. My name is James O. James. I'm the CEO of Growth Stack Software. We develop enterprise application to help businesses grow. Now, we are also the best software company in Nigeria, and as a matter of fact, the only company that provide free Odoo support on YouTube. So feel free to subscribe to our channel, like the video, hit notification button to enjoy new content. Alright, let's get straight to the video. Now, so how do you manage your waste, scraps, spoiled raw materials? As a matter of fact, scrap, spoiled, finished products using Odoo 13. Now, so we have two level of managing waste and damaged materials. There's a damaged raw material during the course of production, and then there's a damaged finished product in some cases, and also there's a damaged finished product from the warehouse. Now, so let's start by creating a manufacturing order. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to duplicate this existing work order, and then so I can just go straight to showing you how you can manage your scraps on Odoo 13. Now, so the product we want to produce today is free flow capsule for women, and we are going to do let's say 50 of these products, and we have a plan date, and we can set our deadline. Then we also have a bill of materials. In another video on our channel, you will find how you can create bill of materials for production. Now, also have the components. Now, the components to use for this production, we have 50 each of these materials. We're going to use it for the production of 50 free flow capsule for women. Now, in a typical production environment, you discover that during the course of production, you register some damages, some wastages, and as a matter of fact, something can happen in the line. Now, so you need to keep track of those records so you'll be able to measure and track your revenue. Now, so we have this quantity of components, raw materials for this production. So we'll go ahead and mark it as to do. And then when you mark as to do, the next thing you would like to do is to check availability if these products are available in the warehouse. Now, so luckily for us, these products are available, these raw materials are available in the warehouse, so we can go ahead and start our production. Now, so in Odoo 13, you really need to know the stages of work and when to record wastage or scrap. Now, when you hit the production button and then your production is ongoing, then this is a stage you can record your raw material damages or wastages, or what we call scrap. Now, when you mark as done, you can no longer record your raw material wastages. So during the production process, this is the best time to record your wastages. So how do we record the wastage? And then go to scrap. When you click on scrap, then you will now be able to choose which of the raw materials you should record as which, or how many scrap did you record during the course of this production. So assuming we have this plastic container and we have 5 of them damaged during the course of production, and so we are now going to be able to track these damages comes from this stock, and then the scrap is going to have to be moved to scrap locations. Now, Odoo 13 comes by default, gives the company scrap location, but if you don't have it, you can be able to create it from the inventory. Now, so this is we've recorded 5 plastic containers damage, so we can mark that as done. Now, if you watch very well, you discover that you have a scrapped button. I'll go ahead and save it. This was not saved. You discover we have a scrapped. On this work order number, we have recorded 1 scrap, and then let's see the scrap that we record. So we have 5 units of plastic containers that has been recorded. So we go back to our work order, and then so let's add another scrap to this. So we can also let's add packets. We have 3 packets damaged during the course of production, so we will add that as well. So we have now recorded 2 items scrap, and we have the numbers of the quantity of the items that has been scrapped. Now, so let's get back to our work order. So at this point, you discover that your scrap is not going to show here because this is actually the quantity you collected from the warehouse, and then so you don't have any other option of reducing the scrap from this because you still need to keep a record of the quantity of items you collected from the warehouse. Okay, that's fine. So now during the course of production, you can only record the wastages of the raw materials. You cannot record the finished product quantity that has been subtracted. Now, so when you are done, this is a good time to mark this production as done, meaning that this production is completed. Now, so at this point now, if you click on scrap this time, you will not be able to record the raw material scraps or waste or damages. You can only be able to record the finished product damages. Now, because we have we are set to produce 50 of these free flow capsules for women, and now 5 plastic containers has been damaged, so we cannot achieve 50. So we'll be looking at 45. Beg your pardon. We've subtracted 5, so we have 5 minus 5 damages. So we are set to do 50, and then we have minus 5 damages of this free flow capsule for women, and then of course those damages will be recorded and then tracked to the scrap store. So I can mark that as done. Now, so that's fine. So let's look at scraps here. If you click on scrap, you will find out that you will have recorded your finished products. 5 of them have been scrapped. For the raw materials, the package 3 scrapped, and then the plastic container 5 scraps. Now, so let's get back to the work order. So the reason why these scraps are being recorded is tied now to this production work order, so you know exactly what and when this scrap was generated. Now, so if you go to your valuation, you also find out that you have you'll be able to work out your your revenue based on the scraps that you have. So if you look at the packets, you will find out that okay, you have 53, 53 minus 53, and then this is the value of the packet that was used on this production, and then this is the value of this particular raw materials, and then you also have the value of your finished product, and then so you can work it out to know whether you are making profit or you are making losses. Now, so let's get back to the work order again. If you look at the product move, you will now be able to see how the raw material has been used for this production process. Now, so that is how you can record scrapped, wastages, spoil item during the production process and after the production process. So I'm hoping that this video has helped you. Don't forget to hit the like button and then subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.